Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys on MULN, Mullen Automotive. We had a major spike yesterday with MULN, and that was shortly after Biden was mentioning some things on EV. So the question is, are EV companies going to start to get some volume? Are we going to have a continuation here with MULN as well? I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're looking to see if we can continue on past to continue on with this bounce. So Mullen Automotive is an EV company based in Southern California that owns and partners with several synergetic businesses working towards the unified goal of creating clean and scalable energy solutions and electric vehicles. So we're going to keep an eye on this one. This one did get a lot of volume again on Friday. Now, before I get started, if you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, meaning breakouts within the same day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss Breakout Alert today again. So I'm going to jump into the daily chart with you guys here on MULN. I wanted to point out one specific level that we need to make sure we can bounce above. And again, this is our intraday perspective, meaning if we're going to continue on into this week, are we going to continue on into Monday? What has to happen for us to continue here? As you guys can see previously, we had a major run. We had a level that we did hold, and that was just the bottom of our wicks here at 151. About 150, a psychological resistance that we could not hold going into Friday. Now, again, as you guys can see, we have our wicks to the upside, and we have a doji candle coming out here, and we are looking to see if we can respect our 20-day moving average. Our 20-day moving average is our yellow line, and our 50-day moving average is our red, so we're looking to see if we can respect it to continue on up. Now, if we do, for some reason, get a body of the candle dropping below our 20-day moving average, then we could continue on down. This could just be a major rejection to the upside to a strong level that we held previously. But the question here will be if we can continue, because, again, on our MACD, as you guys can see, even though we are consolidating, we actually have lower lows here. But, again, we are looking to see if we can hold this level here at 150 to continue. And the reason why I say this is a chance to continue here is because we have an increase in buy pressure that could give us momentum to the upside. We still do have our EMA lines below our MACD, so that does show us that we still could continue on down. And in my opinion, that very much does signal that doji candle and indecisive candle that could make us continue on up or continue on down. Again, this will be a strong move to the upside or the downside here. So again, MULN will be on the watch. We have about 251 million volume ending the day on Friday with an average of 253 million. So we have a lot of volume, but again, we could get a major rejection as we have been on many stocks. So we're going to be careful. This one has been on quite the run, but again, MULN will be on the watch because it is an electric vehicle company. And if electric vehicle companies, especially one at the price this is, does continue, then we could have a major bounce, and we will continue to keep an eye on this 150 level to see if we are going to hold our body of the candle above it to have a major continuation here. But again, just overall looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average to have a bounce here. Now, from a swing and a long trade perspective, as far as what I would want to see here, I would probably want to see more consolidation. Again, if we do have a bounce here, then there is no telling if we're going to continue on with this bounce above our levels that we could not hold, or even our continuations down that we have been on such a strong pullback. There is no telling if we're going to continue on up. So again, we are going to be careful for swings and longs. I definitely would only be playing this intraday, and that is only in if we do get that body of the candle above our 150 level here on the daily chart, and that will give us that strong push. So again, we will keep an eye on MULN, looking for the volume that day, looking for what kind of buy pressure we have, and just looking for a break. But I just wanted to go over this with you guys because this 150 level is extremely key. And again, like I said, it is because we could hold this level. We did not hold the body of the candle below these levels, and that is why we're having momentum here on MULN. And along with Biden mentioning that oil prices will be going up, which could be giving volume to the EV sector. So we're going to keep an eye on the EV sector as well, along with MULN. But again, MULN very much the volatile EV mover that is from the United States that could get a lot of volume here because of a very strong level that we had previously. So again, just looking to see if we can continue to respect our 150 level to get that momentum to the upside. And again, that body of the candle will be very key to get that strong push so that way we don't get a wick to the upside like we did previously on this bounce. Now, again, with that said, if you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, meaning breakouts within the same day, go to instables.com in the description below. I know the market has been very choppy. It seems very much like a bearish market, but in my opinion, if you are playing intraday and you are playing smart and looking for breakouts like we have been in the Instables room every single day, then go to instables.com in the description below, where you instantly become a bull. I'm just kidding. Where you will find breakouts that, in my opinion, you will never see like any other place. And again, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. You guys have been supporting me every single day, and I appreciate every one of you guys. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We will continue to go at it every single day in the instables room again, no matter how bad the market does get. Even if we have a major pullback because Putin does some crazy stuff, then we're going to continue to stay strong, continue to stay focused on these these levels and just watching for what the market does give us every single day as we have been. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Sunday night countdown.